everyone, I am here to show you how to put two squares together. So what I am choosing to do is, as you've seen in the last video, I single crocheted around each square. Now what I'm going to do is single crochet through both of them. So the first thing that you're going to do is take the two squares you want next to each other and sandwich them together, wrong side to wrong side. So this is the right side and this is the right side. Now make sure that they are facing the right way. So this is the top of my square and this is the top of my square. So I have my slip knot on my hook to start with. Now I'm going to make sure it's behind my squares. Okay. Now the hardest part about this is making sure that you're in the right single crochet. So I know that these two were from this side. So my actual first one is this one. So I'm going to go under, and now I have to find the corner on this side. It's a little trickier because this is actually the back. So I'm going to flip it around and make sure I'm in the right one and then go through that. Now before you start, hold it, make sure it's even, that you really are in the right one, which I am. And now I'm simply going to start crocheting. So I'm going through. Now finding the next one will be a little bit easier. You're in the next one, so you're going under the first, finding that back one, going under, and then single crocheting. I'm going to go all the way across and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so I finished it up and this is what ends up being in the middle, this beautiful ridge that you can kind of like jimmy to make it a little bit more centered, but it goes right down the middle, and what will end up happening is it will end up framing the squares and it'll almost be like a little window pane around them. So the next part of what you'll do is you'll get the next two squares, so the one that will go on top of this one and the one that will go on top of this one, and then just keep going with what you're working on. I hope this was helpful, and you know, if you have another idea of how you would like to do your border, go for it. You don't have to do it exactly the way that I'm doing it. Enjoy!